Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Ford Fiesta 1.25 Zetec 2016, 34,900 miles, one owner from new, nice service history. I think it's got 3 service stamps with it, all present and correct, and what a lovely colour. What a lovely colour. So what I'm going to do first is take you around the outside of the car and then show you the inside. So as you can see, it's got the fog lamps, getting the line of the car. Wheels are all in great condition, as you can see, and tyres as well. As I said, it will have 12 months MOT before the car goes out. Couple of things there, nothing crazy at all. Roof's all in great condition. People never check the roofs, but you can get damage with slates and things coming off roofs. 195/55 15-inch wheels, aluminium. So there you have it. So what I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I will see you in a minute. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. So don't forget, this is a HD model, sorry, HD video, so you can stop and you can start and you can do whatever you need to do with it. It'll be fully serviced and it will have 12 months MOT on it as well. So that engine is the 1.25 litre. Take your engine into the car itself. Electric windows, front electric door mirrors. It has 2 keys with it. It's got foam prep on it, as you can see. Got the piano black 5-speed box. Got the UX connector. Look at the seats. 34,000 miles on the car. One owner from new. It's got good service history. I think it's got at least 3 stamps service wise as well. And as I said, we're going to service it. It's just an all-round nice car. Easy as that. No crazy marks here. It's not been hard work at all. And again, it's just a one owner car, so they're going to look after it, aren't they? Well, you'd hope they would. Roof lining and so on. This piano black colour is great on the dashboard and on the door cards. Really stands out. It's got the AC on it as well. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, please give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and really I hope to hear from you soon.